that hard working man. Hey, these look clean, like deep dish, huh?
Yeah, I can see
like deep dish, maybe like, you know, 17s.
If they made up 18s, would be nice.
18s to
Chamorro boy conversion.
That'd be tight. Better late than never, right?
Woo! Don't miss the flip.
Don't do this, guys. If you ever reach this point, just replace the tire. But you know,
you can flip it still, but you getting there. Like if you look at my left front, I'm like that. But I drive my car daily. Don't miss the flip.
thankfully, so it's not as bad. You want to let the viewers know why you gotta beat it like that?
Because if you don't beat it like that, it ain't real. You feel me?
Whatever the fuck that means. Look how good the wheel looks with the tire off. Just look at that.
That's crazy.
It looks nice and shiny.
Tires off.
Just ride around like this.
You imagine we had a rail system. You just ride around like that.
That would be pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Won't need brakes either.
Nah. Chill. Just vibes.
Alright guys, so we would be balancing it today too, but we're gonna have a guy Tuesday. His boss gonna come and look at it. He's really handy with wires. And we saw a video, same exact brand, and they literally just spliced into the wires because they were missing a hood. So they spliced it, made a hot switch, and think we're gonna do the same thing.
That's all we have to do.
Yeah, because if it's the hood, all you gotta do is bypass it and you got a working machine. So we're hoping, but Tuesday it might get fixed. And if it doesn't, then
we fucked, baby.
Oh yeah.
Hand glides across. So what happened, Gian? Why is your brakes off? Ginormous brakes.
For some reason, caliper bolt came out, so the brakes were like grinding against the rotors, which were already fucked. Just more fucked now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fix them.
So we're waiting on O'Reilly's, right, to get the
because of course
brakes?
they like to give you the wrong part the first time, so
Yeah.
which I bought 3 days ago, so I'd be prepared. But yeah.
Not O'Reilly's fault, man. It's not his fault.
O'Reilly himself.
O'Reilly
But we're gonna fix it. It's all good. Got some new pads and shit. Get the wobble out the front. Then we'll maybe throw a stereo in the truck today.
Woo. Just big truck things.
Just big truck things, you know.
There's a speed limit here, sir.
Don't care.
Wow, second time in the week?
Yeah, unfortunately.
All of a
Gotta hang
sudden.
out with you, I guess. Fuck.
I'm open. Oh shit.
Oh. Hey, I like your Civic, bro.
Yeah.
You got a Civic now?
Yeah. Well, partially. It runs though, bro.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this
Wow.
shit.
That's that shit.
Smooth, bro. Look at it.
That's a nice shifter.
Like this, like carbon fiber.
Wow.
You know, NRG. You know.
Cool, bro. Cool. Tight.
The last person who had this, you know,
Dick.
it was man. He built it and said, "Fuck it." And look at it. Now he has that car right there. That Beamer. Yeah. Such a dick, bro.
Alright guys, so it's really windy. I hope it's not too windy, but I do have the fuzzy thing on my mic, so hopefully it blocks out the wind noise. I think we should be good though. But a lot of you guys knew that I was parting out the Civic, and I haven't really showed it since. So here it is. It's just been sitting here. I still haven't got rid of it. I don't think I am gonna get rid of it because the main reason was so I had enough money so I can get another car, and I got the E36 for a really good price, so I really don't have to get rid of the Civic. So I've been thinking of bringing it back, maybe not anytime soon, but maybe sometime down the line, maybe later this year. But I still want to button up the E36 and start driving that soon. But guys, technically I saw the Civic, so I mean, I might just bring it back. I don't know. Let's see how it's looking. So I need headlights, and also a lot of you guys gonna be like, wow, so you just parted it out, and then you know you're gonna, what was the point of parting it out? I still don't regret that, because I would have never found the E36. So I'm kind of happy I did part it out, because then I was looking for another car, and I am really happy with this. I still want to build this completely. This is still a new build. Still want to do a lot of stuff to this, but yeah, technically I can still bring this back. It'll be like version 3, version 4. I'm not sure, but the paint job, I wasn't really that happy with it anyways, and I've been wanting to like redo everything and do it like super legit. Cause I mean, for the most part, I got all the body panels. I'm just missing headlights. I just need a trunk, and I need tail lights. It does look pretty depressing, but it's not that far gone. Literally, it's just money, but it's not a lot of work. I still have my seats. I would just have to get another steering wheel, but interior for the most part is there. It just needs a cleaning. It's just been sitting, so yeah, it looks pretty depressing. Yeah, but I've always been wanting to just redo everything and do it just super legit. Paint in the inside, paint on the outside, just everything really good. I really wasn't, I mean, it came out decent, this paint job, but I just wasn't the happiest with it. So I have been wanting to redo it all. So I don't know, I know a lot of you guys like the Honda stuff, and that's kind of how we built the channel, was a lot of Honda stuff. This Civic was the main content for a while. A lot of the content was on this Civic, so that's kind of why I haven't got rid of it yet, because this Civic does, I mean, it's what started it all. So yeah, I still have it. I know I kind of made it look like I got rid of it, but still have it. See the bay. So under the bay is not too bad either, but like I said, I just been wanting to redo everything, just redo the bay. Has a little chipping right here on the shock tower. Just want to go through it again and just redo it, different color and everything, sand it down. But I still have the wiring harness, so that's a big piece. Everything is still wired up. A lot of the hassle is trying to wire in the wires and everything, but so it's really not too far gone. Literally, it's just money at this point. I would just have to buy another engine and everything, ECU and everything again. And also, guys, my engine was bad, so I was gonna have to replace the engine anyways. So I had to stay ref, and then needing a new engine, that kind of just like ruined my motivation for the Civic, really. And but I mean, I still have it. I still can get it legalized. I can still redo it. So let me know if you guys want me to bring back the Civic, because it's been a staple of the channel since the beginning, literally since the beginning. So I know a lot of you guys subscribe probably because of the Civic, so it does of course have a special place in my heart too, obviously. But yeah, let me know. Obviously not planning on bringing it back soon, but hey, later this year, anything's possible. Yeah, so there's a quick update on the Civic. I know I haven't been showing it in the vlogs. I was ready to sell the shell, but I really don't need you guys. I really don't need you. So a V3, V4, I really don't know what version it would be considered. It's been through a lot. This Civic, it's been through a lot. So yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna revive it later this year, maybe, if everything goes well, because it's just gonna cost money. Literally, that's it. But let me know if you guys want to see the return of the Civic. If you guys do, drop a like on the video. It'll really let me know, and I would appreciate it, because it does help. How's the wiring going?
I hate wiring, but I'm doing it.
Where'd you put the amp?
Under the passenger seat.
Under the seat?
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Just so I could pay attention to it.
So both of these guys are wiring up fucking audio shit.
Yup. You know what I'm saying? Throwing in the feeders.
Damn.
I just put a head unit in too.
Oh, yup. Oh,
Little
okay.
Apple CarPlay, Johnny.
Little CarPlay though. Shoot.
Yeah. Bringing the 99 back to the 2000.
That's a 2014 now.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
See the technique. Okay. First plug in the wires, alright. Okay,
Ooh, I don't know how the hell that goes in.
Oh. now it's flush.
Now she flush.
Uh-huh.
Really flush on there. Sheesh. I can get it.
Oh yeah.
Earlier it had space.
Big difference in your.
Now it's just
quality.
fuck me, right?
No, just fuck me.
Just
Sorry,
fuck
man.
You knew I said on the left.
I just threw it back there.
Forehead, nigga with the crown doing hood shit, talk to him.
So shout out to O'Reilly's for giving my boy the wrong brakes twice.
Twice, bro. Twice.
L.
Work at O'Reilly's. Get your shit together.
Yeah, this is a bummer.
Now I gotta put the old brakes back on again. Fuck.
We have a variety here at the shop. Yeah, see you got the new rear bumper on there.
Yes, sir. Getting ready for my wing. Should be here by Thursday.
Oh, a wing install?
Wing install Thursday.
Okay,
Once
okay.
it gets here, I'm putting that hoe on.
Sheesh.
And then, I don't know if you guys could see. I got this walled lip.
So like a super rare lip, but
Yeah, that's why I'm treating it like shit. I treat all my lips like shit, but
yeah, so it's missing a
complete side.
complete side.
We found it at the junkyard. I got a good deal on it, so I was like, it's authentic walled. I could probably make something out of it. I still have my OEM rear Celsior lip
Okay.
on my other bumper, so I was thinking about just putting it on here, but I don't know yet. Kind of.
Silver bumper looks good though.
Thank you.
Just paint the rest of the car. Just paint match the rest of the car to the bumper.
I should, low key.
Yeah, you should.
Hey, low key, what if I put like all the cladding silver and the like a two-tone?
Oh, like a two-tone? You could. Two-tone silver and green.
Nah.
Nah.
Never. Yeah.
Should be hot, bro. Think about it.
No grip on these shoes. Yeah, I'm trying to just rock it.
Pushing the boat. 4,000-pound boat.
Okay, keep going.
Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please consider subscribing and liking the video if you guys enjoyed. A lot of content's on the way. I'm gonna keep this content going for you guys. This is gonna be like the 4th vlog in less like a week and a half, so not bad. Plus we got more content on the way, so yeah. So see you guys in the next vlog. Later.